how to set the spelling correction to Samsung keyboard or Gboard spell checker on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Next, scroll down, then tap on spelling correction. In here, tap on default spell checker, and from here you can choose Samsung keyboard or you can choose Gboard spell checker. Then tap on OK. Now you can also tap on the settings icon. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off lookup contact names or grammar check, so mark grammatical errors with blue underlines. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.